Welcome guys to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. So today we'll be learning how to block a particular app from accessing network access or network internet here on your Windows 11. So like and subscribe first and let's get the process started. So let's go ahead to search for the particular app we want to block. So let me think. So what app do you want me to block from using this? I'm going to make a choice soon. So let's say for example we want to block OBS Studio from using and network internet. Let's just go ahead. So what you have to do is to search for Windows security or Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. So I'm going to open this Windows Defender Firewall, whatever. I'm just going to open this here. And this is how we have it here. So you can see this application. This is what you're going to be using. And the name of the application is Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. So you have to create an inbound rule and an outbound rule for the particular application you want to block. Let's say, for example, this is the app I want to block. I want to block my OBS Studio from using my network or from having network access. For example, I'm going to right click here on my OBS Studio and I'm going to click on copy as path. So right click on the whatever application you want to use and click on copy as path. So I'm going to take this to my notepad and I'm going to paste this here. So you can see here it as .ink. In other parts, you can see it as .exe. So any of this is going to work. So I'm going to cancel here. I'm going to go to the up part. As here, and I'm going to take off this marks. So I'm going to have this here. So this is what I need here. So I'm going to Control A. I'm going to copy this. Control C. So this is what I'm going to need here. Then I'm going to go back to my Windows Advanced Security, whatever, Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. I'm going to click on here and click on create new inbound rule. So I'm going to go to this place and click on new. So this is an inbound rule first. This blocks data from coming into it. So I'm going to click on new rule. This is definitely a program. I'm going to click on next. Then this is like the program path. I'm going to click on Control V. That I'm pasting whatever I got from that part, and this is the program part. If you want to block all programs, which is definitely dumb, click here on all programs. So I'm only trying to stop OBS Studio, so I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to click here on next. So what am I going to do next? Am I going to allow the connection or allow the connection if it's secure? No, I'm going to block the connection because I don't want it to use again. I'm going to click here on next again. Then make sure these three boxes are ticked. So I'm going to click here on next. Then the name, I can just rename it OBS Studio. Some people might just put it like this. I love being funny. But yeah, just to make sure I can come back to get this, I'm going to click on OBS. Then description optional. You can just fill out or not. Okay, I'm cute. Then put I'm cute here. So you click here on finish. So that is one, and I'm going to go ahead to create another outbound rule. That means it stops whatever. Okay. Oh, I've made one and I see it. Look at the way I saved it. CH whatever that. Loving funny. So go ahead to make a new rule here and click on program. Yeah, definitely next. So I'm going to paste that here again. I'm creating an outbound rule that's stopping from going out. I'm going to click here on next again. I'm going to block the connection. Click here on next and make sure these three, both domain, private and public, are locked. Click here on next. And I'm going to save the name to what name should I put this? OBS Studio again. So just click on finish. So that is it. So that is how to block or stop a particular app from accessing internet. Try this on your PC and give me the feedback you get. If you found this video useful, go ahead to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.